Guys, assalamu alaikum. It's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a delicious vegetarian dish, this video is definitely for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple but flavor-packed Jeera mushrooms and Channa or chickpeas. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe: mushrooms, Channa or chickpeas, green seasoning, salt, black pepper, Jeera, curry powder, onions, garlic, hot pepper, and vegetable oil. The mushrooms I'm using are fresh mushrooms that can be purchased at the supermarket. You can try the canned mushrooms, but I personally prefer the fresh ones. To clean them, I'm using a damp paper towel and carefully wiping each one. Then I'm going to slice them up. You can be creative and cut them in any way, any size that you like. Once they're all sliced, I'm going to add them to a bowl. I'm using canned chickpeas, so this doesn't require any prep time. I'm simply going to drain the liquid, give the chickpeas a quick rinse, and then add to the mushrooms. Next, I'm going to thinly slice an onion, hot peppers, and I'm going to chop the garlic. To get things started, I'm adding some green seasoning, roasted jeera, pinch of curry powder, salt and black pepper to the mushrooms and chickpeas. I'm going to give this a quick mix, get everything coated with all those seasonings and the fresh seasonings that we're using. And now it's time to cook. In my pot, I'm adding some vegetable oil over low-medium heat. Once it's hot, I'm adding the onions, garlic, and hot peppers, and I'm going to let this cook for just a few minutes. Once the onions are translucent, I'm going to add the seasoned mushrooms and chickpeas. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and at this point, I'm increasing the heat to medium. I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes until those mushrooms are properly cooked through. This will take only a few minutes. You want to keep stirring it just to make sure that the mushrooms and the chickpeas don't stick to the bottom of the pot. You can add just a little water if needed. Just before it's finished cooking, I'm going to taste and adjust the salt if needed, and I'm going to add some roasted jeera. You can add as much jeera in this step. Give this a quick stir and ensure that all the pieces are nicely coated with that jeera. I'm going to leave it on the heat and let any excess liquid reduce, and then that would be it for this dish. Alhamdulillah, mouth-watering jeera mushrooms and chickpeas. You can eat this with roti or rice if you are a rice lover like myself. Either way, this spicy jeera dish will have your taste buds wanting more. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course share the video with someone who will want to try this vegetarian dish. Thanks as always for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.